Tucked away on the sunny southeastern coast of Cyprus, the Papouis Protaras Hotel has been quietly building itself a bit of a reputation among holidaymakers who want a proper Mediterranean break without emptying their wallets. Sitting at Manteliu 7 in Protaras, this three-star property has managed to score an impressive 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor and a solid 8.0 on Expedia, which is nothing to sneeze at for a mid-range hotel. Guests keep using words like modernized and well-maintained, which suggests the owners have been putting some serious love into keeping the place fresh. It is not a sprawling 5-star resort with marble columns and gold-plated everything, but it does not pretend to be, and that honesty is part of its charm. What visitors seem to appreciate most is the balance of comfortable rooms, friendly staff, and a location that puts them within easy reach of some of Cyprus's most beautiful beaches. Let us take a closer look at what this hotel actually offers and whether it lives up to the glowing reviews. Starting with the rooms, the Papouis Protaras Hotel provides a range of accommodations designed to suit couples, families, and solo travelers looking for a comfortable base in Protaras. While the official website does not publish a detailed breakdown of every room category, guests consistently describe the rooms as clean, modern, and well-appointed, with the kind of finishes you would expect from a property that has been recently updated. Standard rooms typically come with air conditioning, a private bathroom, a television, and the usual conveniences like a kettle or coffee facilities, along with balconies that offer views over the surrounding area. The prices, according to various listings, tend to hover somewhere between around $115 and $424 per night depending on the season, which is fairly reasonable for a Cyprus holiday. For those traveling with family, the hotel appears to offer larger room configurations that can accommodate more guests, though specific occupancy details are not spelled out on the accessible listings. Reviewers frequently mention that the housekeeping team keeps things spotless, which is honestly one of the most important things when you are paying for a room you barely get to enjoy between beach trips. The modernization efforts have clearly paid off, with guests describing the property as modern, well-maintained, and noting that the rooms feel fresh rather than dated. There is no mention of high-tech smart room features like voice-controlled lighting or automated curtains, which is probably a good thing for anyone who just wants a light switch that works without downloading an app. Accessible options are not explicitly detailed in the reviews, so anyone with specific mobility requirements would be wise to contact the hotel directly before booking. Moving on to the food and drink side of things, the Papouis Protaras Hotel has earned genuine praise for its dining experience, even though the official list of restaurants and bars is not publicly broken down in detail. Guests repeatedly highlight the great selection of food and drinks, with one reviewer specifically calling out the cocktails as a standout. The hotel appears to operate a main dining venue that serves a variety of dishes, likely leaning into the Mediterranean and international styles you would expect from a Cypriot resort. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner options seem to include a good spread, with a reviewer named Paniota describing the food as delicious, with plenty of variety and great quality, which is exactly the kind of feedback that gets other travelers clicking the booking button. The bar scene at the hotel gets a thumbs up too, particularly for those who enjoy a well-mixed drink after a long day of sunbathing. Cocktails are apparently done properly, which is not always guaranteed at 3-star hotels, where the bartender sometimes seems to think a mojito is just rum with a leaf thrown in. The atmosphere in the bar area appears relaxed and social, giving guests a place to unwind without needing to head into town every evening. For those who prefer to venture out, Protaras has plenty of restaurants and bars within walking distance, but the hotel's own offerings seem more than adequate for guests who want to eat and drink on site. The service in the food and beverage areas gets consistent praise, with staff described as friendly, attentive, and willing to go the extra mile. Now for what many people come to Protaras for in the first place, and that is the water. The Papouis Protaras Hotel offers pool facilities on site, which give guests a convenient place to cool off without having to trek to the beach every time the sun gets a bit too enthusiastic. While the specific pool configurations, such as whether there is a separate children's pool or heated options, are not detailed in the accessible listings, the general impression from reviews is that the pool area is well maintained and pleasant. Loungers are typically available and the surrounding deck provides plenty of space for sunbathing with a drink in hand. The real magic, however, lies just beyond the hotel. Protaras is famous for its beaches, and the Papouis is well positioned to take advantage of them. Fig Tree Bay, one of the most celebrated beaches in all of Cyprus with its golden sand and shockingly clear turquoise water, is within easy reach. Pernara Beach and Calamis Beach are also nearby, giving guests options depending on whether they want lively crowds or a more relaxed stretch of coastline. Water activities in the area are plentiful, with local operators offering everything from jet skiing and paddleboarding to boat trips and snorkeling excursions. The boardwalk along the coast makes it easy to hop between beaches on foot, which is a lovely way to spend a morning before settling into a lounger. When it comes to activities, the Papouis Protaras Hotel benefits enormously from its location in an area that is basically built for holiday fun. On-site fitness or sports facilities are not extensively documented, but the surrounding area more than makes up for any gaps. Protaras is dotted with tennis courts, water sports centers, and outdoor activity providers, meaning guests who like to stay active will not run out of options. The coastline itself is ideal for walking and jogging, and the boardwalk provides a scenic route that beats any hotel treadmill. For those with a cultural or educational bent, there are opportunities to explore the local heritage, including the Church of Prophytus Elias, which is a small but atmospheric chapel perched on a hill offering panoramic views. Guests looking for something a bit different can visit Moonshine Ranch, roughly 3 kilometers away, where horse riding and countryside activities give a nice change of pace from the beach routine. The hotel itself might not run an extensive activities program, but its location means guests can easily piece together a full itinerary of things to do. Whether it is boat trips, cycling, or simply exploring the local villages, there is enough variety to keep any traveler entertained. The relaxed pace of Protaras also means there is no pressure to fill every hour, which many holidaymakers find refreshing. For those looking to unwind and treat themselves, the wellness side of the Papouis Protaras Hotel is not heavily advertised in the accessible sources, so specific spa facilities such as dedicated treatment rooms, saunas, or steam rooms are not confirmed. That said, Protaras and the wider Paralimni area are home to a number of independent spas and wellness centers that guests can visit during their stay. Many hotels of this size and standard in Cyprus offer at least basic wellness options, such as massage services on request, and the general environment of the hotel lends itself to relaxation. The setting itself does a lot of the wellness work. The Mediterranean climate, the sea air, the sound of waves, and the slower pace of Cypriot life all combine to create a naturally restorative experience. Guests who prioritize wellness can supplement their stay with yoga on the beach, long walks along the coastal boardwalk, or simply lounging by the pool with a book. For anyone specifically seeking detox programs, structured wellness retreats, or advanced spa therapies, this may not be the hotel to book, and a specialist wellness resort would be a better fit. However, for guests who define wellness as simply switching off, eating well, and soaking up the sun, the Papouis delivers exactly that kind of experience. Now let us talk about what is around the hotel, because location is one of Papouis Protaras Hotel's strongest selling points. Fig Tree Bay, arguably one of the most photographed beaches in the Mediterranean, is within easy walking distance, and its shallow, clear water makes it a favorite for families and swimmers of all abilities. Pernara Beach and Calamis Beach are also close by, offering slightly different atmospheres and equally lovely water. The Protaras town center is reachable on foot, with estimates ranging from about 15 to 20 minutes to reach the main area, though walking along the beach and main road can stretch that closer to 45 minutes depending on the route. For those interested in culture and sightseeing, the Church of Prophytus Elias sits atop a rocky hill in Protaras and offers not just spiritual significance but also some of the best views in the area, particularly at sunset. Moonshine Ranch, about 3 kilometers away, gives visitors a taste of the Cypriot countryside with horse riding and family activities. Shopping in Protaras tends to focus on tourist-friendly boutiques, souvenir shops, and local markets, with plenty of restaurants and cafes lining the main strip. Nightlife is available too, though Protaras is generally more family-friendly than its rowdier neighbor Ayia Napa, which is only a short drive away for those wanting to venture into livelier territory. Taking everything together, the Papouis Protaras Hotel comes across as a solid, well-run 3-star property that punches above its weight in several areas. The staff receive glowing praise across multiple review platforms, with words like friendly, kind, and willing to help appearing again and again. The food is described as varied and tasty, the rooms are clean and modern, and the location is genuinely excellent. TripAdvisor's breakdown shows 34 out of 45 recent reviews rating the hotel as excellent, which is a strong endorsement, and Expedia's 8.0 score reflects consistent guest satisfaction. However, no hotel is without its weaker points, and it would be dishonest to skip over them. One reviewer named Sylvester K. reported a distressing experience involving overbooking and a lack of management support on arrival, which is the kind of situation that can genuinely ruin a holiday. While this appears to be an outlier compared to the overwhelmingly positive feedback, it does suggest that the reservation and management processes could be tightened up. Amenities scores on Expedia are described as more moderate compared to staff and cleanliness, indicating that guests looking for extensive on-site facilities may find the offering a bit limited. Overall, though, the hotel represents good value and a comfortable base for exploring one of Cyprus's most beautiful regions. What really sets the Papouis Protaras Hotel apart is its combination of affordability, warm hospitality, and prime location. It manages to feel modern and cared for without slapping guests with the price tag of a luxury resort, which is a genuinely rare balance to strike. The proximity to Fig Tree Bay alone is a major selling point, as guests can enjoy one of the Mediterranean's most beautiful beaches without needing to arrange transport. The staff seem to be the beating heart of the operation, with review after review highlighting their friendliness and dedication to making guests feel at home. This kind of consistent service culture is often what turns a decent hotel into a memorable one. Another standout feature is the food and drink offering, which repeatedly gets called out as better than expected for a 3-star property. Cocktails, variety, and quality all come up in guest feedback, which suggests the kitchen and bar teams take their work seriously. The modernization of the property means guests are getting an updated experience rather than a tired old hotel coasting on its location. For working-class travelers who want a real holiday without the stress of a 5-star budget, the Papouis Protaras Hotel offers a genuinely appealing package that delivers on the essentials. Regarding events and conference facilities, the hotel does not appear to heavily market itself as a business or events venue, and detailed information about meeting rooms, banquet halls, or corporate services is not publicly listed. Guests looking to host weddings, conferences, or large group events would need to contact the hotel directly to discuss what can be arranged. Given the size and style of the property, it is more suited to leisure travelers than large-scale corporate gatherings, but smaller group bookings and celebrations are likely possible with advance notice. Finally, the guest experience highlights at the Papouis Protaras Hotel come down to those small human moments that end up mattering most. Reviewers describe staff who greet them by name, remember their preferences, and go out of their way to make sure every request is handled. Pani Oda's review captures it well when she says everything from the first day to the last was excellent, with staff who were extremely friendly, kind, and always willing to help. Andrea O echoes the sentiment, praising the friendly staff and great food and drinks and recommending the hotel without hesitation. These are not scripted corporate compliments but genuine reactions from people who felt looked after during their stay. The overall experience seems to be one of quiet, dependable quality, where guests arrive expecting a decent holiday and leave with memories of something better than they anticipated. Whether it is the cocktail that arrived exactly the way you like it, the housekeeper who noticed you were running low on towels before you had to ask, or the waiter who suggested the perfect dish, these little touches add up. For anyone considering a trip to Protaras, the Papouis Protaras Hotel makes a strong case for itself as a comfortable, welcoming, and well-located base. It is not flashy, it is not pretending to be something it is not, and that authenticity might just be its greatest strength. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.